Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's do all to share the live, guys. Let's do all to share the live. Let's share the live, guys. Did I get a sell? We took an early entry, price took us out, and then started selling. Trust me. I'm pained by it. I'm pained by that sell. I'm just pained by the sell. We took an early entry with a VIP and price took us out before selling. That is crazy. But like I told you guys in the morning, I'm expecting some massive sales coming in on gold. I was unlucky. I took an early entry and price stopped me out. But I'm still expecting massive sales on gold coming in very soon. Massive sales coming in. Bear in mind, this whole area you see here was a sell zone we had from last week, okay? This area here. So I'm expecting massive sales on gold. It's unfortunate we were taken out in the VIP, guys. We're taking out of the sales. And I had a zone here to look at, but then price also reacted just around the zone without getting into my zone exactly. By the way, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Seriously, with what gold has done to me today, I won't lie. Gold stopped me out before selling. Crazy one, guys. Gold stopped me out. It stopped me and my VIP members out, guys. Stopped us out before selling. Gold stopped us out before selling. It's crazy. By the way, guys, if you're here, you're welcome. You're welcome. Help me share the live. Help me share the live. Let's invite others to live trade with us. Now, guys, bear in mind, I have a buy zone below, okay? It's way below. Price is not there yet. This zone here. That is my buy zone for today. This buy zone here. I would have wished we had taken the sales because the sales are going to be massive. Trust me. Probably a swing sale, if you ask me. We might have a swing coming in. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. So the buy zone is below here, okay? So now you're just looking to see if price might come back to the sell zone here. But like I told you guys, the VIP members, we took a trade and then price stopped us out right somewhere here. Just after I started selling. Like before I started selling, price took us out. I'm pained by it. I won't lie to you. I'm pained by the sales. But I didn't re-enter. Because I was expecting this zone here. This is a 45 minutes time frame, guys. This sales on gold might just be a swing sale coming in. And I mentioned it in the community that I'm expecting some good sales on gold. But we took an early entry in the VIP and we got stopped out, guys. We got stopped out. And trust me, I'm pained. I'm pained, guys. I'm pained by the sales. I'm pained. I'm pained. I'm pained. I'm pained by the sales, guys. Because I was expecting it, just my entry wasn't good. My entry wasn't the best for the sales. She know what to think about. What to think about. One love, two mouths. One love, one house. So guys, here we have a buy zone below. It's below this buy zone right here, okay? This buy zone is here on your screen. That is a buy zone we have for today. Let's see. I'm expecting gold to give some massive sales coming in today, guys. Today, tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm expecting massive sales coming in on gold. Expecting some massive sales coming in. Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. 1K likes. Not the best, guys. Let's double tap. Let's double tap. Let's go, guys. Let's double tap. Let's double tap. Let's double tap. Yeah, gold is going to sell massively. I already mentioned that in the community. In the morning, I mentioned that. Unfortunately, I got taken out before this massive sales. It's crazy. Someone said, Abba said we shouldn't trade in between zones. I never said don't trade in between zones. Okay, I never said don't trade in between zones. BTC, I haven't checked BTC, guys. I've just been on gold today. Let me check BTC. I don't know if the zone has tapped. Okay, price broke the buy zone. That buy zone we had on Saturday. Price broke it. Now, the sales happening on BTC was also a zone we had over the weekend. We had BTC sales over the weekend. And price is currently within that area. I mean, selling from that area. Any re-entry on gold sales, I wish, trust me, I wish I had a re-entry. I wish I had a re-entry on gold sales. I wish, guys. I really wish. I wish I had a re-entry, guys. Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. Let's just take 5 minutes from the live and double tap, guys. I just take 5 minutes from reading comments. Let's use it to double tap, guys. Let's double tap to 20K. Let's double tap to 20K, guys. The likes are too low. Not encouraging. Not encouraging, guys. Likes are too low. Someone says the prices are not showing. Okay, okay. I'll work on that. Let me just check. It should be showing now. Let me know, YouTube. Is it showing? Yes, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Let me check on TikTok if the prices are also showing clearly on TikTok. Seriously, this sale, painful one, painful one. Those in the VIP. Seriously, I'm pained by the sales. But what can we do, guys? I anticipated the sales. H1 gave me a good entry with good confirmations, but then price jumped up and then started selling again. H1 deceived me, guys. H1 deceived me. Prices aren't showing on TikTok too. Okay, let me just bring it. This should do. Yes, prices are showing now. Showing now, guys. Yeah, the prices are showing now. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm still having this zone down. Possibly, let's see if New York, we have some retracement coming in again. I'm not sure, but then there's a buy zone we have below, guys. We have this buy zone below here. Okay, so if these sales manage to go ballistic today, we might get into the buy zone. But bear in mind, guys, every sale happening here, we caught this sale from Thursday and Friday. We had both zones here, this area here, this area here. We had both areas for our sales from Friday. And also H1 has given a good confirmation for sales. So hopefully we get some good bearish pressure coming in on gold very soon. YouTube, let me know if you guys can see the first buy zone. Sorry, the first sell zone, okay? Seems it's not showing well on YouTube. Let me just check. Okay, it's showing now. Let's push this up. Yeah, this should do. Let me know if this is fine on YouTube. Yes, it looks okay. It looks okay. It looks okay on YouTube. Okay. Okay. It's not showing on TikTok. It is, guys. I'm watching here. It is. It is. Just that on YouTube, you have a clearer screen. Can we enter sales now? If you have good confirmations, you can go with it, okay? I still believe gold is going to sell, guys. Some massive sales coming in. I mentioned that in the community already. And we might have some massive sales coming in on gold shortly. I mean, if we still had our trade running from the VIP, would have been in very good profit, guys. Would have been in very good profit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What is your risk management strategy? I make sure that I protect my account at all costs. That is what I do. But then basically, I don't risk over a certain amount that I've always anticipated, okay? I know people tell you risk 1%, risk 2%, risk blah, 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 blah. But then I always say, do it in terms of how much you want to lose, okay? There's some static noise on the live, really. Do it in terms of how much you want to lose on a trade. Because if someone has $100 account and you're telling them to risk 1% of their account, you're telling them to risk $1. And trust me, can you risk $1 on gold? It's impossible. So always anticipate how much you are willing to lose on a trade first. Okay? Not in terms of percentage. People will tell you percentage. If it works well for you, stick to it. But then I always advise to anticipate it in terms of how much you are willing to lose on a trade. That is what I always advise. But basically, my risk management strategy, I always have stop loss in place, no matter what, guys. No matter what. I always have my stop loss. That is one risk management strategy I use. Because it's also a risk management strategy. And also, I set break-even and make sure I've taken major profit before I've set my break-even. Yes, we have news at 2 p.m. today. 2 p.m. ISM. ISM manufacturing at 2 p.m. today. Let's go, guys. Guys, let's double tap. 8.3K, guys. It's not encouraging. 8.3K. Not encouraging, guys. 8.3K is not encouraging. You just chop SL on BTC. Sorry. You bounce back. Don't worry. You bounce back. I always say losses are normal in trading, guys. If you are a trader, okay, and you have taken it upon yourself that, I want to be a trader, then there should be no way you should complain about losses, because that is more like an occupational hazard for your job. This job we call trading, just like how someone who works a 9 to 5 would have to maybe wake up very early in the morning, catch a bus, get to work. You get to work, you have to more or less like submit to bosses and here and there. These are things you are coping with. Even though you don't like it, you are still coping. When it comes to Forex trading, what you should also be able to cope with, no matter the circumstance, is losses. That is the job that you have taken upon yourself. And that is the uncomfortable aspect of the job too. If you're a trader and then you can't suck in losses, or You always whine when there's some small loss here and there, or there are losses here and there. Seriously, you cannot grow. You cannot grow as a trader. I always say losses are like it's hurtful. Trust me. When you make a loss in a trade, it's hurtful. I know it. Trust me, I know it. Because I've had losses, not once, not twice. I have losses regularly. Okay, and I win regularly too. But then you always have to just tell yourself, it moves on. This is my job. Go and ask someone who has set up, let's say, a bakery business, or they are selling spare parts, or they are selling cars or something. They'll always tell you something negative about their job, no matter the job on this earth. They'll always tell you something negative, that maybe your cars get stuck at the pot, or a baker will tell you the flour got some insects came into the flour. Everyone has something in their job that is very uncomfortable. If you're a trader, yours is losses. And if you're a trader and you're always expecting that every trade will be a win for you, guys, you cannot be a trader. You cannot grow. You can be a trader, all right, but you cannot grow into a mature trader. You cannot grow into a mature trader if you can't accept that the job I've taken upon myself, this is the uncomfortable aspect of it. Just like you go to work and you see people who are like younger than you, you're older than them, right? They're in bigger positions, but still you have to submit to them. Do you know how uncomfortable that is for some people? Having to go to work, you are a 30-year-old or 35-year-old, but then you see someone who is like 28 or 29 or something, who is younger than you, who you probably completed school earlier before. Now the person is in a higher position. You have to submit documents to the person. The person will tell you, you didn't do it well. You have to go back and do it again. Do you know how uncomfortable that is? That someone you've schooled ahead of, you've done this ahead of, that is something people are battling with at work at the moment. As we are here trading, there's someone in the office battling with a younger boss. A boss who could even give birth to. This is your job, and your job as a trader too. And the uncomfortable part of your job is you'd have losses, okay? You'd have losses. That is the most uncomfortable. There's no other thing that is uncomfortable for our job aside losses. That is the most uncomfortable aspect of our job. Aside that, there's really nothing. Okay? Compared to a 9 to 5 where you have some other like discomfort, like gossips here and there, backbiting here, gaslighting here and there. At a job place, you as a trader, yours is just losses. So if you can't bear the losses and you want to go and do a 9 to 5, that is also okay. But bear in mind that not every trade will go into your favor, guys. Not every trade. Take it from me, as someone who has been trading for a while, not every trade will go into your favor. There are times you'll be down, but then I always say, don't lose confidence, okay? Don't lose confidence. Don't lose confidence. Just always come back. Take some time. You can take some time and just think about the losses or the terrible things that you did on your account, but then always come back, okay? Always come back. Always come back. Always come back to the chat. Let the chat be your friend. Always come back, come back, come back. We are almost getting to New York opening. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Like I said, I have a buy zone below here, guys. My buy zone is way below here. This possible buy zone. Let me make it bigger. That is the only buy zone I have for today. Today, like I said, I'm looking for more sales on gold. And it's unfortunate. I took a sell on gold and gold had to take me out before selling this morning. Gold had to take me out. Gold really had to do that before selling. I'm still going to be looking at this possible sell zone here, guys. This sell zone, and then the buy zone we have below, okay? I'm a baker trader. I forgot the color my client wanted for her cake. I only noticed when I was done and the client refused to understand. I had to fix it. That is it. That is your occupational hazard as a baker. Someone requested for, let's say, a yellow cake and you went to do a pink cake. They are like, no, I don't like this. I wanted a yellow cake. Why have you brought a pink cake? You have to fix it. That is a loss to you. Do you understand what I'm driving at? That every job you decide to do in this world has some risk attached to it. In trading, ours is losses. And it's not just losses, painful losses. That's the reality, guys. It's unfortunate, but that is the reality for us. Someone was saying in the comment that she's a baker. The client requested for a color of cake and she did a different color. The client complained and then she had to fix it in the end. That becomes a loss to her. But then do you stop your bakery business? No, you still need to move on. You still need to move on. Not because you don't have anything to do. You need to move on because that same bakery business has made you money before. So just one loss shouldn't mess up your whole understanding or your passion for the business. You should just shrug it off and then move on. Trust me. Shrug it off and move on. I'm still holding from this morning. There's someone who took the sales with us who didn't close. Gabriel is still holding the sales we took. Awesome. Why don't you put your price in your zones? I've shared the setup to the community so you can check it there, okay? You have the prices showing on the screen. You have it there. Let me bring this down a little bit for those on YouTube. Guys, that is our occupational hazard. That is our occupational hazard as traders. We have to embrace it. I know it's painful, but you have to embrace it, guys. That is our occupational hazard. And also for those who just feel down or give up whenever something doesn't go well, like a trade doesn't go well. It's normal, okay? It's normal. But don't let a trade take your confidence away. Yes, the person who was baking the cake said, "You are right, Abba, I moved on. That's just one of the many setbacks I've had as a baker, but I can't give up because the profit is way more greater." That is trading too. And that is your job at work. Do you know why you can't leave your 9-to-5 job? It's because it pays. Your 9-to-5 job pays. Despite people having, there are gossip clubs at work. There are politics at work, gaslighting, backbiting here and there at work. You still show up. Why are you showing up? Why are you showing up to work? Even though you know this workplace, as I'm going, this person doesn't like me. This person doesn't like me. She also doesn't like me. You are still showing up to do your work because at the end of the month, this comes. Money comes back. So you are withstanding all the discomfort to make some money. And that is it with trading. The discomfort is losses. Withstand it to make some money also. Okay? Withstand it, guys. Withstand it. Withstand it. Someone said they adjusted SL on my signal, so they are in profit. Yeah, guys, we took the sales. We took the sales. Unfortunately, price took us out. Price took us out. Just here, guys. Just here. Price took us out just here and started selling. We were stopped out this morning. But I was still expecting sales to happen. But I was hoping price would get into this zone earlier. You adjusted your stop loss. That is fine. I'm glad you are making money. But then make sure that you always stick to stop loss, okay? Make sure you always stick to stop loss, though. So far as you have stop loss in place, that is okay. All right? That is okay. So is that the next sell zone? This is the sell zone I'm looking at. Hopefully, let's see if price comes back into the zone. How much is VIP? Send a DM, okay? If I mention it on the live, I might have some restriction. Or you can go to the community. It's pinned in the community. You'd find it there, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you entered the trade at 4155. Interesting. 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 You were fortunate. Is there another entry for the sale? I'm still waiting, guys. This is the entry I have. This entry here. That is what I have for the time being. But let's see. Let's see, guys. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments as we wait for the sell zone, okay? If you have any question, you can ask in the comments, guys. The 1 hour candle has deceived me today so much, guys. So much deception today on the 1 hour candle. That is what stopped me out on this sale. And it's already selling crazily. Which time frame? It's on the screen, guys. Time frame is clearly written on the screen. If you are new here, guys, go join the Telegram channel. Tap on the link in my bio and join the Telegram channel. Let's see what market has for us today. Those who didn't set stop loss, I hope you have stop loss in place, okay? I hope you have stop loss in place. Those who took the trade earlier with us and they didn't set stop loss, I hope you have stop loss in place now. Papua New Guinea. Is it correct? Papua or Pau? By the way, good to have you. Book of Proverbs, good to have you. I enjoy listening to you because you always encourage us to keep on keeping on. That is the spirit, guys. Yes, keep on going, keep on going. And do you guys know the interesting thing someone who gives signals or someone who is just helping people to also grow their accounts? People forget that there are good times. Seriously, people forget that we've had crazy good times before. And when there's some small losses, we are in loss. But when you're in profit, trust me, you're making Benjamins. Abba is the goat, gold mother, this and that. And when just one loss comes in, I blew my account. My account was liquidated. Like all sorts of things. So right now, sometimes I think of it, I'm like, nobody should even type anything like you are the goats. Because you are the same people that will come back and then type other stuff in the comments for me. But that is really just trading, guys. That is just trading. People are always going to be ungrateful. No matter how you are helping them from your heart, people are always going to be ungrateful. It's part of it. I wouldn't call that ungrateful. It's more like it's loss aversion, okay? They will later want to kill the goat. I tell you, they will tell you are the goat. Later they want to kill you as the goat. It's crazy. So when we are in profits, I'm just happy for myself because I'm making money. My husband was telling me last time, people are typing nice comments. Why are you not happy? I'm like, these same people, they are the ones when you hit losses, they come back and type all sorts of things for you. They forget we've consistently had wins like throughout for a month, or just 1 or 2 losses for a month, or in a week we've had 1 loss. But just get 1 loss today and see something. Someone said, "I'm full in power for Ghana." Seriously, guys, that is just human nature. If you put yourself to do something good for a community, just know that it's not everyone that is going to flow with whatever you are doing, okay? They only see it when the good things are happening, but then once, and it surprises me that people can forget that, we've had crazy wins before, but just have about 2 losses. That whole 2 losses, they won't use it to define your entire trading career. It's funny, guys. But it's all about growth. It's all about growth. If there's a mature trader, that mature trader will understand that it's really part of trading. When people do that, I know they're just starting. You need to encourage them. They are just starting off. You need to encourage them and, talk to them to encourage them, okay? Yeah, they'll be like, you blew my account. Me, I blew your account. You put the loss size. I didn't even know the loss size you were putting. You blew your account, guys. You blew your account. And it hurts me when people blow their accounts. Trust me, it really hurts me when you blow your account. And it hurts me when we have losses. But it hurts me extra when you end up blowing your account. But then all of us still have funds to take the next trade, but then you don't. It hurts me badly, I won't lie. Especially if you are under me, it hurts me badly that you lost your account. When we are taking the next trade, you won't be there to take it. But you come and say, you blew my account, as if I entered a loss size and I blew the account. How can I blow your $100? Unless you decided to use, let's say, 0.2 on gold. Obviously, that will blow it. 0.2 on gold, that will blow it, guys. That will blow it. It's because you want fast profit, okay? Because you want to get $200 fast on your $100. But you forget that what we are doing is long term. Okay? If you are thinking of growing long term, you should manage your risk, your lot size. Maximum on gold 0.01, 0.02 on your $100 maximum. If you have $100 and you want to use 0.1, 0.2, it means that you have anticipated to lose all of that money. I don't go flipping with $800 when I'm thinking that, okay, I want to grow this money. When I'm depositing $800 or $300 to flip, it's because in my mind I've told myself, if this 800 blows, I'm okay. I was only trying to flip. I won't blame anyone for that. I won't blame the market. I went in, I over leveraged. That was my plan and it didn't go well for me. Let me suck it in and move on. But to come and say, I blew your account. Did you give me account details? As a matter of fact, I don't have anyone's account logins. Not even a single person. I don't have anyone's account logins. No one. If there's someone here who says I have their MT5 account login, type it in the comment. I don't have anyone's logins. You have your own login. You enter your own lot size. Just do all to manage your risk, okay? I have yours. Let me know. What's your name? I don't even have I don't even know your name. I don't have anyone's logins, guys. I don't have anyone's logins. Everyone is saying me. I don't have anyone's account logins, guys. No one. We also need to know we are all reeling here. When we lose, no one to blame. Exactly, guys. But it's not going to come in a day. It will come through constant speaking, okay? Sophie, you know I don't have your logins. Come on, I don't have anyone's MT5 logins. When I say logins, your password, I don't have anyone's password. Your MT5 account, if I'm asking for your MT5, that is for those in the VIP, is because I want to verify that your partner change went through. I asked for only your MT5 account. I don't need your server. Your server, no. Your password, no. I don't need those things. I have yours. Why is everyone saying I have their logins? Nee, I don't have your logins. Nee, you know very well I don't have your logins. You know it. I don't have anyone's logins, guys. No one's logins. I don't want problem. I don't have anyone's logins. If you are doing the terrible things, you are doing it on your own, okay? I can only do my best to encourage you and to guide you. Last time you entered, Nee, really? I don't remember you sending me your logins. Never. Richie, what's up? Richie, did you take a loss on the sale? Richie, did you take a loss? Let me know. Someone said he loves me. I love you too. Hi from Jamaica. Hello from Ghana. Someone said she locks in where we are asleep. I wish. I wish. You didn't enter. Nice. Will you be able to see my account balance if you have my MT5? No one, they would never log into your account. Never. I can give my MT5 account right now, but you can never log in if you don't have my password and my server. So last week I was telling you guys, if there's anyone at all, any mentor asking for your logins, your XNES email and XNES password, or your MT5 login details and your MT5, password or server or whatever, don't do it. Don't. Absolutely not. Please don't do it, okay? Don't do it. Just don't do it. A word to a wise is enough. Just don't do it. And I've never asked anyone. If you have it, you can send me a screenshot right now. And let me know you have sent it and let me confirm that I've asked you to send me your password. Never. Unless it's account management. That way I don't even know the account management now. But if you think I've ever asked for your MT5 password, type it in the comments and send me a screenshot of me asking you for it and you sending it. Trust me. That is something I wouldn't do. Because once I have access to it, you might think I'm entering trades on your account. Okay? But you are the one doing the terrible things on your account. But guys, this month is going to be a good month, okay? This month is going to be good. Last week started very well. We had just one loss last week, guys. Even that, we had to cut loss on that trade. It was just one loss. We cut loss and then that was it. Every single trade we took last week, we traded every day of last week. Every single trade gave us good wins. We had just one loss, which we cut loss last week. Today we've had just one loss. This week we've had one loss so far this morning. And if you like, let's just have a win right now. You see people typing, you are the goat, you are the goat, you are the goat. Very soon we hit losses and people want to kill the goats, guys. They want to kill the goats. Someone is asking, if they get in, what do they do with it? Backtesting with someone's live account. I don't know. I don't know what they do with it. Seriously, I don't know what they do with it. But it's not advisable to send your logins to anyone. Yes, they want to use me for pepper soup. They want to use me for pepper soup. If we have a win, Abba, you are the goat, you are the goat, Abba, you are the goat. Nobody comes close. Gold mother, you saved my life, you saved my accounts. Have one loss. Everybody wants to use you for pepper soup. The goat is... One person wants to chew the thigh, one person wants to chew the head. But guys, that's just life. That is just life. You can never satisfy everyone. It's interesting, guys. I want to join the class coming up, but I have to put the money together. We had a severe hurricane last year. I'm still recovering financially by God's grace. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Easy way. I hope you are safe. I hope you are safe. Hope you are safe. By the way, which country? Which country did you have the hurricane at? Let me know. Look, man, I see you. I see you guys. How about the scapegoats? I'm telling you guys, once we make a loss, I become the scapegoat. I'm not the goat anymore. Now I become the scapegoat. We have a win. Hey, Abba, you are the goat. You are the goat. Abba, you are doing well. You saved my account. Abba, my life has changed. Abba, I don't know what to do. Abba, you are the best. Abba, my family is thanking you. Let's hit one loss. Guys, not even like 4 or 5. Let's hit one loss. One loss. One loss. Now the goat will become the scapegoat. Everybody wants to come and chew me. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Yeah, they will slaughter you guys. That's just it. If you don't have a strong heart, you really can't give signals. I'm telling you the truth. If you don't have a strong heart, you won't be able to show up to give signals. Signal giving is a very tough thing. I'm telling you. It's a tough thing. Not even just signals. I mean, sending signals is easy. You stay behind your community and send a signal. But come live and trade it. That is also a different thing. It is not an easy thing, okay? Because everyone is looking up to you. Imagine the kind of pressure you'd have on you. If you don't have experience, you feel this pressure on you to deliver. If I don't have a zone, I'm not going to force myself. Like, I had a zone here. Price almost tapped this zone and then left without me. That is it. I'm still going to wait just in case New York opens and decides to push into it. That is also fine. But guys, if you are hoping to give signals one day, take this from me. You need a tough heart, okay? Or you give up after a week. You are gonna give up after a week. But the same people who will come to you and let you know that you've changed your lives, they are the same people who will come for you, guys. They will slaughter you. They will slaughter you. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Now, if you're just joining in, guys, I have a buy zone below. I mentioned it earlier. This is the buy zone we have below here. Okay. And I already mentioned in the community in the morning that I'm expecting some good sales to come in very soon on gold. I'm expecting good sales to come in. I'm expecting some good sales to come in very soon on gold. Good sales. We were unfortunate we got stopped out in our sales from here and prices dumped afterwards. But I mentioned it in the community in the morning, even before the sales started happening. I mentioned that I'm seeing some good sales coming in on gold. Is it good to sell now? If you have an entry, go for it, okay? Go for it. You don't even need to wait for me. If you have good confirmations, go for it. Believe in yourself and stick to it. Always just believe in yourself, guys. Believe in yourself always, okay? We are all trading a market. We are not sure. We are not sure where it's heading to. The best you can do for yourself is simply believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You'd never find me telling someone, don't take this trade. I'll tell you, do you have good confirmations? Do you have confluences in the zone? Go for it. Because I didn't get here by people discouraging me. I got here by believing in myself. And the best I can do for others is to also help them to believe in themselves. That is the best I can do. We have news at 2 p.m. guys. 2 p.m. GMT. 2 p.m. GMT. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, if you have any question, you can type it in the comment, okay? Let's get interactive in the comment as we wait for our zone. They did the same thing to Jesus. I'm telling you, that is just humans, guys. They only remember the good things you did when they are doing, when it's happening. But then once it messes up, that is it. Nobody remembers the good they've done. Nobody remembers they've even withdrawn from your signals before. They are just focused on the loss, forgetting that you also took a loss on the same trade. That's what people forget. They forget that Abba also took a loss on this trade. It's not just me. They forget. ISM services PMI. That's the news, the fundamentals we have. Institute for Supply Management Services PMI, Purchasing Managers Index. I don't really know what it means, but I know it's a fundamental event that for the USD. The ones I know, CPI, FOMC, NFP, those are the major ones. These ones are all more like minor fundamental events. But the major news events, the major fundamentals are FOMC, NFP, CPI, okay? Those are the main ones that we look out for. I started trading last week but hit rocks. But I seriously want to get back into trading with some $100. Now, Edinam, I'm going to be advising you, okay? It's easy to lose that $100. Let me just be real with you and not encourage it that, oh, yes, that $100, you might lose it. You might grow it to a point, but then you might lose it eventually. So don't give up, okay? Have it in mind that this $100, you are growing it all right. Don't let greed set in, because when greed sets in, you can lose that whole $100 in just one trade. Just take it slowly. 0.01 should be okay for you. Take it slowly and then grow it. But then trust me, eventually that $100, you might lose it if you don't have the right knowledge. So just take it slow, okay? And once it's gone, don't give up. Keep on learning, okay? And working on yourself too. Just keep on learning and work on yourself. Love from Jamaica always. You are the goat of all goods. Thanks. I know you guys will slaughter me soon. Someone is saying, I'm the goats of all goods, guys. Goats of all goods. Once I hit a loss, I become the main goat for the soup. My main... You almost give up. Don't give up. My first time taking your trades and I hit SL with you guys. I believe in your setup and I'm not giving up. Yes, we hit SL this morning, but then that's just part of trading. It's just one trade, the only trade we've taken for the week. And I always said, this sell happening here, guys. We caught this all last week, Friday and Thursday. We caught the sells, NFP buys, we caught it. We caught scalps in between. We caught almost every single move last week. We caught it from Monday. We caught every single move. So don't let just one loss define you, okay? I also took a hit. But I'm still here smiling, guys. Because I know I might make a win on the next one. Someone said carry goats. I know they'll spice me up. We just want to win only, and that's bad. Trust me, that is it. People only want to win. If you want sure profit coming in always, okay, then get a 9 to 5. Because this trading, you can't tell how the month is going to go for you. That is the unfortunate thing about our work. You can make crazy money. Crazy money. I always say it's the hardest way to make easy money. You can make crazy money, but then you can't tell how the month is going to. I don't know how July is going to end for me, but I'm hoping to take the best trades. And that is the same mindset you should also have, guys. We won't always win. But my inner man believes so much in what you offer. Thanks, I appreciate it. I hope you won't grill me when we hit stop loss. You guys won't come for my head when we hit stop losses a couple of times. In Forex, I believe there's nothing like lose, but rather learning. Yeah, there's something like losses, but then you learn from the losses. That is it. That is it. You will lose, all right, but then you learn from it, okay? Am I going to trade news this week? It depends. It depends on where market is what market is giving me, okay? I'm proud of myself. I'm learning from you, and it's showing in my POIs. Awesome, 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 Mehdi. What's the possible entry for the sell? This area here, this whole area is a sell zone, okay? Once price gets there, I'm still live. We'll take this trade together. The good thing is, guys, my kids are vacating very soon, and they are going to go to my mom's. They are going to stay with my mom for a while, so that I can just work and just stay live on, and just trade without distractions. Because when they are home for vacation, I'm not able to trade well. My mom is shouting, "Mommy, this person beats me. Mommy, this." But my mom is coming for them. So from next week, I can trade very well. And I'll be live more from next week too. You know, when I started this live, they were on vacation. When I started the live, the lives we are having, the live trading, I started on YouTube in March, and I think somewhere last week of March or beginning of April, early April or late March, that's when I transitioned to come to TikTok and have the live trades on TikTok. Before that, I was already sending signals to the community for the past 4 years. But I decided to just come live. And when they left for my mom's place, I realized I was being consistent with the lives a lot. But when they came back, guys, they can worry. You guys have met them on the live before. They can worry. But yeah, that's the good news, guys. They are going to my mom's for vacation, and I have so much free time on my hands. What's included in the Telegram? Do you mean the VIP or the main community? So with the VIP, if you use XNS, the VIP is for free. You don't need to pay any subscription fee. That is, if you are part of the XNS VIP. It's free for a lifetime so far as your account is active. If you don't use XNS, you can join the paid VIP. Or if you're in Europe, you can send a DM. I'm going to find an option for you to join the VIP. But then basically the VIP, we have psychology classes, we have risk management classes, we do live analysis, we meet on Sunday evenings for, yesterday we couldn't have the meeting, but we meet on Sunday evenings for the traders roundtable discussion, okay, which is more like a discussion room. Everyone on the VIP page speaks. We have it on Google Meet. Everyone unmutes and talks. And then we have the signal aspect also. So those are the things. And I also sometimes teach a couple of things in the VIP also. So that is really what is included in the VIP. If you use XNS, you can send a WhatsApp to the number you see on your screen, okay? Don't even greet. Just say, hi, join XNS VIP. That is all. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Is this live trading in the VIP or just signals? I'm live trading with you now. We are trading live now. But the signals are always sent to the VIP. And if I'm not live, the signals are still sent to the VIP, okay? How much does it cost to join the VIP class? The VIP is not a class. It's a Telegram community. A VIP community, okay? For those that use XNES or for those that are in the paid VIP. But then there's a class, the mentorship class, that is separate from the VIP, okay? And by the way, guys, the mentorship is starting on the 18th of July, okay? 18th of July. If you want to join, just send a DM. It takes patience and discipline to just look at the charts and do nothing. I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you. People don't know how important something like that is. What is mentorship? Teaching and helping you grow in every aspect of the Forex market. Psychology, discipline, just helping you with all of those aspects. But basically just about technical analysis, introducing you to Forex. I start from scratch. What is trading? What is currency pairs? Blah, 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 blah. We do everything. Trading view, we learn how to use the tools there. We learn every single thing, guys. In the end, you end up trading like me. And that is basically what I do in the mentorship. Am I in a trade or waiting for a pullback? Waiting for a pullback, potentially. Sorry. Waiting for a potential pullback. And guys, you know, it's been a while. I actually use my natural nails. I went to the salon. I decided not to wear nails this week. Just decided to use my natural nails. My husband says he likes this better than when I wear nails. I don't know. I also like it when I wear nails better than this. He came this one. I was like, you see the way your nails are nice. Why don't you use this one? I'm just looking at it now. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. But it's been a while I actually left my natural nails. It's been a long time actually. It's short and nice. You've been scratching him. He's right. Interesting. How many days in the mentorship? It's 3 months, guys. 3 months. Let me show you guys my nails. It's 3 months. It's 3 months. We like what he likes. Interesting. I'm beginning to like it. Maybe I might just keep my natural nails from now. But I love the other nails too. It's actually nice. Okay. If you guys say so. For the next 4 months, I'm not going to put on any nails on my nails. Really? Am I seeing it well? Anyway. Yes, there's news today. In about 24 minutes. In about 24 minutes, we have news. Guys. But guys, for all those that took a loss this morning on the sales, hoping we'll catch something good, okay? It's unfortunate, but just hang in there, okay? Just hang in there. If you took a loss this morning, with the sales we anticipated, which sold without us. Don't worry, just hang in there, okay? Hang in there, hang in there. Hang in there with me, okay? Just hang in. Guys, the likes today, too low, guys. Too low. It's not encouraging to come live and come and see 14K likes. When I know we can do, we've done 200K several times. Let's do well to hit more likes today, guys. Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. You look awesome. Hope all is well. Thank you, Miles. Thank you. All is well. Hope you are well too, Miles. Hope you are well. Boss, where are you streaming from? Boss, I'm streaming from Ghana. I'm streaming from Ghana. I'm streaming from Ghana, boss. Hope you day okay. Are you trading the news at 3 p.m. It's 2 p.m. Yeah, it's 2 p.m. for my side here. I'm not trading the news precisely. I'm just waiting to see if price gets to my zone. And it's not like a highly volatile news. Even though it's a red folder, which can bring some movement, it's not news that's, I mean, so like it's not a major news event. I got stopped out too, Abba. I can't crucify you. You know what you are doing. Don't crucify me, guys. That's just occupational hazard for our trade. I mean, for our job. I want to see only your looking face. I don't get you. This is what I want, to trade like you, but I'll have to wait for the next rounds of classes. That is fine. Play drums. Which country are you from? I want to know about the hurricane. Which country are you from? I'm in. Should I leave? Should I first leave? Do you mean leave the sales or what exactly? I don't get it. But some so-called gurus have set up a signal channel and they take your setups and sell it very expensive to their clients. And you know the funny thing, they are your VIP group. Oh, really? Send me their name. Let me check. Somewhere last year or 2 years ago, I had a couple of people like that. They were on a Discord page, not knowing, guys. That Discord page was my signal page last year or 2 years ago. I can't remember. So they had a Discord page where they would take my signals, and then once I send sell gold, they are also selling the signals. Then they take my sell gold or whatever, and then they paste it in their group. That's the reason I've restricted copying and forwarding from any of my channels now. Because the way people, and someone is doing that now. Dangers of hell. Let me know. Send me a DM now, okay, on Telegram. Let me know which people are those. They are selling the signals. They are selling it. I'm still holding sales. I hope the news comes for sales. We are also hoping the news will push up to our zone. But I mean, just believe in yourself and do what you see, okay? Franklin, I'm going to be muting you, okay? Because you are spamming the comments too much. And it's not like I'm upset with you. It's just hard to read other people's comments. So I'll just mute you for this live, okay? Sorry about that. But it's just too much spamming of, it's good to set sell limit. It's just too much spamming of that. If you want to set sell limit, you can go ahead, Franklin. You can go ahead, okay? Let's put all jokes aside. You are very good. I don't need signals. With my knowledge in trading, you are just too good. Thank you, Gabi. Hello from Kenya. Hello from Ghana. How are you? How is Kenya doing? How is it going there? I'm hoping this level doesn't leave us. This level here. I'm hoping this level doesn't leave us. But I still wanted to get into this zone. This area here. I still want price to get into the zone. Let me even take the red line off. I'm still waiting for this zone here. He was asking a question. He said it's good to set sell limits now. Sell limits, we are not setting sell limits, guys. We are not setting sell limits. We are going to be taking an instant execution. Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. Let's double tap. Where is the level doing there? This level is what I was talking about. This level here. Price might react on that level and then sell again. But I will still want it to come back into this zone here. And bear in mind, guys, our buy zone is below here. This zone. That is our possible buy zone. So let's just hang in there and see what market is gonna do, okay? Today, what games are there? Is it Portugal and Spain? That would be crazy, guys. Lamar and Lamine Yamal. I say Lamar. Lamar. Lamine Yamal and Ronaldo. But Lamar is not bad. Lamar. Lamine and Yamal. Lamar. Dangers of hell. I'm still waiting for those who are selling my signals. Send me their channel. Let me see. I might just join anonymously also, just to see what they are doing there with my signals. Send me. Who taught you to trade that well? I didn't really have anyone teaching me to trade precisely. Like, do this, do that. Most of the things I'm doing, actually, I learned everything on my own. But I didn't have anyone teaching me, like, technical analysis. Like, do this or no. Today, pay or sell gold news. Which one is teacher? I'm not getting you if you can type correctly. Is the red line a sell zone? Guys, I say it's a level that price might react on. Let me remove that line, okay, before people start selling from there, because I'm not going to be entering. We have news in 16 minutes. Let's see. You ain't a fan of football. Ampe. Small. Since Black Stars left, everything is just beans. But the funny thing is, I joined the VIP on Thursday and we had a loss, and today another loss also. Interesting, Ajay. Every Thursday we have losses. Oh, you joined on Thursday. Thursday we had a win and we had a loss on Thursday, yes. But on Friday we had wins on Friday. Last week we had just one loss. We had just one loss on last week. We had just one loss. But it's unfortunate. you hear me. Let me know if it's working now. Okay, it's mute. You can hear me, but YouTube, they don't seem to hear me on YouTube. Let me check what the issue is. The issue is from YouTube, guys. Yes, it should be working now. It should be working now. YouTube should be working now. YouTube, let me know if it's working now, okay? It should be working now. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, price reacted from this level. The level I was looking at reacted from here. We still have about 12 minutes to the news. New York has already opened, guys. Maybe it's just waiting for the news to react. But we still have few minutes to the news. Like I told you, we have a buy zone below, guys. If you want to see the buy zone, I shared it to the community this morning. Head over to the Telegram channel. You'd find it in the community, okay? I shared setups on XAUUSD and other pairs this morning. And guys, if you are new here, join the Telegram channel. Tap on the link in my bio and join the Telegram channel, guys. If you're on TikTok, tap on my name. Go to my profile. You see a link there. Tap on that link, okay? Let me just take you guys through a short tutorial. So when you come to my profile, okay, you see my profile. Oh, okay, you see my profile here, guys. Tap on this link. There's a link here. Tap on it, okay? Tap on this link. When you tap on the link, this page is going to open, okay? You need to select the first one, this one here. Select that, okay? And this is going to open. When this, just tap on it like this. Go to your browser, your Chrome or your Safari, and then paste it in your browser like this, okay? Just paste it like this in your browser, and then click on enter or go or whatever. I mean, for those on TikTok, once you click on it, it's going to open Telegram. Is going to open Telegram for you. Then he'll just ask you to join the Telegram channel and you can join, okay? What is your guidelines for taking partials? Once you see some profit that you need, okay? First thing you should do is just to take some partials. You see profit that you know is money you need, take some partials of the trade. And when trade breaks some structures also, you can take partials also, okay? Once your trade breaks some structures, some lows or some highs or whatever, you can take some partials. And by the way, I have videos on how to take partials on YouTube, so go ahead to my YouTube channel and then watch those videos. How to set break even, how to set your stop loss, take partials on the trade, close bulk operations, all of that. I have all those videos on my YouTube channel. YouTube, my name there is just Abba Trades, guys. Abba Trades, nothing else, just Abba Trades. And guys, the copy trader will be launched very soon, okay? We are still testing it out. The copy trader is going to be launched very soon. Give me a while. We are still testing the copy trader out, okay? It's our own developed copy trader. We are testing it out. And then once I realize everything is complete and set to help account growth, we are going to launch it, okay? How much more minutes for the news? Currently, we have just 9 minutes. Just 9 minutes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm still going to be waiting for the zone, guys. No matter the outcome, I'll still wait for the zone. Unless we get to our buy zone below. But for the time being, I'm still going to wait for the zone. What news? We have ISM. ISM at 2 p.m. GMT. We have just about 8 minutes now to the news. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. How much more minutes for the news? We have news in about just about 7 minutes. 7 minutes. What are the criteria for the copy trade? The copy trader, it will be announced soon, okay? For now, I'm just testing it. The trades I'm taking now are all going on the live account, okay, on a copy trader. So don't worry. Once it's running, I'll let you guys know. We are still testing it out with the live account, okay? No, I don't use indicators. Guys, this news, calm down, okay? It's not any news that should take your heart. Just calm down. Just calm down, guys. Calm down. The time frame, it's on the screen, guys. It's on the screen. What time frame? It's on the screen, guys. You can see it on the screen. Is it good to sell now? If you have good confirmations, you can go for it, okay? I'm waiting for the zones on the screen. Guys, let's double tap. Are you guys tired? I wish I could double tap for myself, but the platform won't allow that. So please help me double tap, okay? Help me double tap the live. Just so we can get TikTok to push the live to many people. I tell you guys, the aim of this live is to be the biggest live trading community on TikTok and on YouTube, okay? We can only start that if we start double tapping, we share the live, we double tap, to let the platform know that we like the live, so they should recommend it to other traders. That is really how come most of us are actually even on this live today, because TikTok recommended the live for you. Do I have people like that on this live? Or on YouTube? Is there anyone that the platform recommended this live to them, and today they've been trading with us for a while? Is there anyone like that? Anyone who just saw the live on TikTok and they're like, let me just watch what this lady is doing? Exactly. I've seen a couple of people on TikTok, and it all comes through double tapping, okay? That is how we get to have other traders trading live with us every day. And when we are many on the live and people are asking questions, that is how we learn. Very interactive questions. We learn, okay? Many people saying they just joined because they saw TikTok recommend the live to them. And it's because someone double tapped. That is how come you saw some of these lives. Because someone double tapped, okay? Once you double tap, TikTok starts pushing the live to other traders. People who search for trading related content, TikTok pushes the live to them. So if you're here today and you join through a TikTok recommendation, help double tap to reach another person also. Someone's destiny might just be placed in your small double tap or your likes, okay? someone's encouragement from trading, someone wanting to push on with trading, someone who wants to give up might just not give up because they see this live. And it comes to you double tapping. The person's destiny is in your thumb. You just double tapping, but you're not. You're not. I also got into trading because someone decided to make a video, okay? And I saw that video. Imagine if the person hadn't made that video. Maybe it would have taken me a while to hear about trading. So in everything, we have people's destinies in our hands. You might think you are not really, oh, me, how can I change someone's life? But you have no idea. You can change someone's life. You might not even know it, but you've changed someone's life, okay? You might have just changed someone's life just through your double taps. And when you double tap, you're not giving me money, guys. I don't even get a cent from you double tapping. You double tap, the TikTok algorithm takes it that, okay, many people are double tapping on this live. This live is interesting, it's interactive. Let's push other traders to come and join this live. That is really how it works, okay? Someone is saying, my win rate is 95%. What can we do best together? I'm glad you have a very good win rate. Just keep on going, okay? I'm glad you are doing so well. How much minutes for the news? We have 2 minutes to the news, guys. 2 minutes. Can one person double tap more than once? You can double tap as much as you want, guys. Someone said they saw the live on YouTube. Awesome. EU is getting close. Let me have a quick look at EU. Let me check EU. EU is getting close too. Awesome. I'm glad people are checking EU actually. We did our setup this morning during the live analysis at 8 a.m. GMT. Hello, how are you? How much position open in one day? So in a day, I take maximum of 3 trades. If all 3 are losses, I'm done. If 2 are wins, 1 is a loss, I'm done. If all 3 are wins, I'm done. But then in a day, I have a maximum of 3 trades I take every single day. Sometimes I take just 1 trade a day and I'm done, okay? But maximum, my rule is I have 3 trades. And that doesn't mean I should stick to my rules also. I have those rules based on certain things. Stick to your own rules also, okay? Come up with your own rule. Came across your YouTube live and you were saying the trade is gone, guys. The trade is gone. I remember that video. Oh, interesting. Yes. The trade is gone. Interesting. Where to watch the news? Forexfactory.com. Just check forexfactory.com. YouTube sent me to Accra. Nice. Good to have you. Good to have you in Accra. You saw it on YouTube. Awesome. You saw it a month ago. Nice. Someone said they saw my live when I was saying, guys, the trade is gone. I say that a lot when price leaves me. When price ends up getting close to my zone and leaves me, I'm like, guys, the thing is gone. It's gone. But yeah, guys, it's a new day. Let's see what the week has for us. The news is out, guys. Like I said, this news is not any news you should panic. It's not a major news event, okay? It might not even have any reaction. So just calm down. Calm down. Okay. Let's see, guys. Can you show the EU chart? When I'm live trading gold, I'm showing only gold. When I'm live trading gold, you guys know already. When I'm live trading gold, my focus is only on gold, guys. My focus is just on gold. You say it a lot. Interesting. You mean, guys, the trade is gone. Yeah, when I miss my zones, that is what I say. The trade is gone. Yeah, the news is seen, but nothing happened. I told you guys this news is not major news. The news you should be scared of is NFP, FOMC, and CPI. These ones are just, I mean, soft work. You're actually new here. You're welcome. You're welcome. Do what to join a Telegram channel, okay? Thank you. Can I send you a WhatsApp message and get some guide from you, my friend? You can. Send a DM. Send a DM. And if you use XNet, guys, just send a DM, okay? Just send a DM. Thanks to all those double tapping, we can still do more, guys. Still many people to reach to know that their lives can change with Forex. I've had someone who even knew nothing about trading. They joined one of these lives, they were interested. They just what I was doing. They asked me, can they make money from this? And I said, yes, you can make money from this. Okay, sure, I want to join. They paid for mentorship, just like that. No knowledge about trading, they just saw it online on TikTok. And they are part of us today. They are waiting to start their first lesson. So guys, some of these double taps, some of these likes make people start their trading journey, okay? They just encourage people to start this trading thing. Someone joins the live, they see you typing Benjamins and I made this, they're like, how are people making money from this? Then they come to me and they ask me, how do I start? And I ask them, do you want to learn or you just want to start taking signals? I always advise learning. But if you want to just start taking signals, you would need to understand what stop loss, TP, and all of those things. I have videos of all of that on YouTube that you can watch. But if you want me to teach you personally, which is me dedicating time from my busy schedule to teach you, that comes at a cost, okay? That is not free, guys. Because I have the class on weekends, and literally I'm taking time off my schedule to come teach. On weekends, that is a busy day for moms. Trust me. If you're a mom, or if you're a mother, you know weekends are your busiest days because your kids are home, they are home, everyone is home, everyone has to eat, you have to take care of the house. Like weekends are very busy. So if you want to join a mentorship, that is it. We have it on weekends, it comes at a cost. Just send a DM, okay? But the VIP is for free. If you use XNS, the VIP is for free. For the signals, it's for free. Yeah, for moms, it's our busy days. Saturday, Sunday. Sunday is even better. Saturday morning is like Saturday morning for moms is crazy. Because you feel like, oh, you've been waking up very early throughout the week to get the kids ready for school. So Saturday is the day you would rest. Like you want to sleep early in the morning. We'll be sleeping, then my daughter will come. Mommy, wake up, daddy, wake up. It's a sunny day. I'm like, hey, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. And you see, you have to wake up. Because they are so used to waking up early, you think you want to rest a little bit, but they want to wake up and start playing. It's a sunny day. I have to wake up too. I have to wake up because it's a sunny day. And for that, it's more like a resting weekend for that. I know my husband is on the live. He wouldn't agree to that. But Saturday weekends are resting day for that. Trust me. They work over the whole week. Then Saturdays they want to rest. Like it's just normal. But for my husband, he takes my kids out for skating on weekends, so I have some time to myself on weekends. So on Saturdays I get some time for myself, and the kids also get time to also go and skate, so that I can also be free. It's a win-win for everyone. A win-win for everyone. You go and enjoy. I'm also here enjoying my peace. Or I'm trading BTC. It's a win-win for both of us. Do you have community on WhatsApp? I'm instituting one very soon. We've started working on that already, okay? I don't know if you can even join. Just search for Abba Trades community on WhatsApp and let's see. I don't know if my team is working on it. Anyway, guys, let's see. Still going to be waiting for this sell zone here, guys. Still going to be waiting for this zone up here. Trump is speaking. Let's see. Let's see how it ends up. Someone is saying don't sell or buy. So what should we do then? Should we stare at the chat and then after we withdraw from demo account? Is that what you mean? We shouldn't sell or buy in the forex market. Then what should we do? Should we just stare at the chart and withdraw from demo in the end? What do you suggest? But yeah, guys, I was right. Price reacted from this level here. It might still shoot up into this area. So I'm going to stick to my zones. If it ends up coming to the buy zone we have down here, we are still going to go for it. This buy zone is a good one. I'll go for it in this buy zone. But for now, I already said it in the community in the morning that some good sales will be coming in on gold very soon. It's unfortunate. I took an early entry and I got white. Price took me out. It took me out before selling massively. You're in the sales. Awesome. Glad you made some money from it. I'm not in. Still sticking to my zones, guys. Markets might still retrace very soon. We can never tell. I just saw a post on Facebook that makes a lot of sense. It's talking about how in this world everyone is just looking out for themselves and no one really cares about you. Just saw that on Facebook just now. Everyone is looking out for themselves. It says you make it in life without allies and you cannot afford to make unnecessary enemies. Work on your social skills because it makes everything easier. That has some height of truth to it. About why do you trade on the 45 minutes time frame? I don't trade on that time frame. I'm just showing you the zones I took, the time frame I took the zones from, okay? And I can only show you the candles on the 45 minutes time frame. And let me read it out to you guys. It says, I will say this unapologetically. The world does not really care about you. Everyone is looking out for themselves. People by nature will always defend their self-interest. People will always defend what they care about. The world is not against you. Get and understand this. Everything is ruled by self-interest. So find those whose interests align with yours and win together. If you think everyone is out to get you, then precisely that is what will happen. Open your eyes and understand the social game. No man is an island. You won't make it in life without allies and you cannot afford to make unnecessary enemies. Work on your social skills because it makes everything easier. I just saw this on Facebook and I cannot agree less to it. Very true, guys. Things are easier when you have a good social network. Things are easier. But if you make unnecessary enemies, you think everyone is out to get you. That is really the sad reality of life. Guys, let's double tap. Almost 40k. Let's double tap. Let's double tap as we wait for the zone. Let's double tap, guys. I should repeat it. Okay. Let me see if I can still find it. So it was written by McDan. You guys know McDan. Yes, I saw it on Facebook. So he says, I will say this unapologetically. The world does not really care about you. Everyone is looking out for themselves. People by our nature will always defend their self-interest no matter what. People will always defend what they care about. The world is not against you. Get and understand this. Everything is ruled by self-interest. So if you think, I understand it, like if you think things are not going well for you and everything is against you, this person doesn't like me, this thing is this thing is this. Everything in this world is ruled by self-interest. Someone only gets interested in you if they feel like their vision aligns with yours. But if it doesn't, you might think they are out to get you. So find those whose interests align with yours and win together. If you think everyone is out to get you, that's precisely what's going to happen. Open your eyes and understand the social game. No man is an island. You think, oh, I can do this thing on my own. I can do this on my own. I always say, even in trading, get people who have the same understanding as you, okay? People who have the same understanding, the same mindset, the same goal, so that you can grow with them. Else you'd have friends who are thinking trading is a scam, and then you're also having friends who just want to get some small bicycle today. You also have a friend who wants to get a Lamborghini. You have a friend who just wants to set up a small, what's it called? A small provision or grocery shop. You see, you have to find out what you want to do. Do you want to buy a bicycle too? Do you want to have a Lamborghini? Do you want to open a grocery shop? Find the persons whose interests align with yours and win together with the person. Else you might think everyone is really out to get you and things are not working well for you. But you're just aligning yourself with the wrong people, okay? If you're waiting for a Lambo and the Lambo is not in, or you're not seeing signs that it's coming, then it means that the people you're aligning yourself with, they are not the right people for you. Change your circle, okay? Change your circle. That is how you grow. Change your circle. And you do that by working on your social skills. When I say circle, the people around you, it's all by having interactions, connecting with people. That is how you grow your social network. If you don't have those people around you, how are you going to know that this person wants to buy a Lambo? This person wants to buy a bicycle. This person wants to buy just one bottle of kinke for today. This person is trading to survive and buy some amala every day. You can never tell. So look, if you want to buy amala every day, get somebody who is also willing to buy amala every day and then align your vision with the person. If you hope to buy a Lamborghini, find someone who also wants to get a Lamborghini and align your vision with that person. Once you are two people, the vision becomes clear and broad. Do I like amala? I've never eaten amala before. But yes, if it's kokonte, I've eaten kokonte before. That is how we call it in Ghana. I don't know if it's the same, but that is what we call it in Ghana. So guys, find someone whose vision aligns with yours. Else you might think the world is against you. Life is really unfair. And it even becomes more stressful for you if you're aligning with the wrong people, because life itself is unfair and you're also aligning yourself with the wrong people. That is it. You think everyone is out to get you. I like the last part. It says, you won't make it in life without allies, without friends, without people you can win with. And you cannot afford to make unnecessary enemies. You cannot afford to make unnecessary enemies, guys. Because you need to build a good social network, okay? Don't make unnecessary enemies for yourself. Your friendship group, and you're making enemies with them. How would you even align yourself with people who have the same vision as you? If you have a group of friends and you're not talking to any of them, you might not even be able to speak to them to narrate that, oh, this person wants to buy a Lambo, this person wants to buy a Ferrari, this person wants to buy this. I also want to do the same thing. How can I align myself so that our vision becomes the same? The quote is from Magdan on Facebook. You guys know Magdan. He's a big businessman in Ghana. He wrote it on Facebook, on his Facebook page. That's it. That's the post I was just reading. That's Magdan. Am I in a trade? I'm waiting for a trade. Waiting for the zone here. Waiting for this zone you see on your screen. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I've developed a habit of constantly opening trades What should I do? Please help me. I'm tired from overtrading and failed accounts. It's normal. Okay? Everything you're experiencing in trading is normal. I'm saying it's normal because we've all done it. We've all done it. Once you find an account, you feel like there's some activity that needs to go on in the account. I need some water. Let me just see if my husband can bring me one. Or let me call my sister. Okay, so the person asking, I'm just trying to see if someone can get me some water. How is the news? The news is not really giving any good move. That is what you see on your screen. Do I live trade every day? Yes, I live trade every single day. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Bottle water. Bottle water. I need to take some water, guys. I've been talking for almost 2 hours. I need to take some water. Thank you. Hi. That was my husband. Need water too. Come around. I'll give you some water. Come around. He can't come and say hi. He doesn't like coming in my videos. My mom can come around and say hi. Mama, you want to say hello? Hello. Mom is coming to say hello, guys. I think most of you have seen her before. She came to visit today. That is my mom. Guys, say hello to her. Say hello to her. That's my mom. I worry her a lot. Obi say hello. Obi say mommy. Omo typing. We want to make kasante. Omo typing keke. Obi say you are young.
Thank you.
She looks young. She's old, guys. She's 62. I'm 63. 62. Yeah. She's not young. But she looks young. She looks young.
Okay, I'm busy doing something outside.
Okay. Thank you. Omo kasa ometi, but omo kasa won't. My husband won't come. He won't come. My husband is watching me. If he wants to come, he'll come and he'll come. She looks 30 to 35. She's 62, guys. 62. Let's say hi to your husband. He's watching me, so if he wants to say hi, he'll come. He'll come. My sister is in the room. She's in the room. My mom came around just today. I told you guys she's coming for the kids for vacation. The kids are writing exams this week, so from next week they'll go to my mom's place for vacation. Am I the last born? I'm the firstborn. I'm the firstborn. Yes, I'm the first child. I'm the first child. I'm drinking so much water today. Did Abba worry you when she was young? Guys, trust me. I was naughty. I was stubborn when I was a kid. No lies, trust me. Someone says in the village. My mom doesn't stay in the village, guys. She doesn't stay in the village. She doesn't stay in the village. My mom doesn't stay in the village. Yeah, she's a second. She's a second. She's a second. I worried my mom when I was a kid. Guys, I worried my mom so much. I won't lie. Last time my mom was telling my daughter some of the things I did. And now when I beat my daughter, she's like, but you also worried mama when you were a baby like me. I'm like, eh. She's telling me I shouldn't beat her because my mom told her I also worried her when she was like me. This kids of nowadays. Nanaja is your friend. Oh, interesting. I look stubborn, guys. I'm maybe, but I'm calm. I'm calm. But I have a stubborn mind. A stubborn mind and a stubborn heart. But I'm a very calm person, guys. I should call my sister to say hi. They all won't come. They all won't come. My sister is also in the room. My husband is also in the office. Did you show your position if you get? I don't get it. What do you mean by position? You are calm spirited. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Abba. My first time here. You're welcome, Kujo. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. But let's see. Let's see if price gets to our zone, guys. I just need a big tap into the zone. Something like this. Like, we do something like this. Get here. Maybe we trace a little bit. Get into this zone. Then maybe we're down, guys. Something like this. That would be nice on gold. That would have been nice. But let's see what's gonna happen, guys. And by the way, if you use XNS, just join the Telegram channel. I'll be starting classes very soon, okay? Classes, not classes like mentorship classes. I'm going to be starting some educational, psychology classes, risk management classes on TikTok and on YouTube very soon. It's going to be for free, just like what we are doing here. But I'm going to be standing to teach, okay? I've had it for like close to 2 months now, but every week I'm saying, okay, I'm going to start this week and I postpone it. But hopefully when the kids go, even this week I might start. And I'll send the details out once it kicks off, okay? There's a buy zone. Someone is asking no buy zone. The buy zone is here, guys. This is the buy zone. That is what we have below. Can you guys see it? Price isn't there yet. We have a buy zone below. We have a buy zone below. Please check DJ. Yes, guys, we already checked DJ in the morning. It was in the sell zone. Let me check again. We already checked GBP JPY, guys. It was in the sell zone. Okay, it's going above the sell zone now. But I gave a dependent that if only DJ 30 minutes closes bearish, then the sales might continue. It didn't close bearish, obviously. It closed bullish, actually. That is how come the sell was invalidated on DJ. There was a condition for that sell. That is if 30 minutes closed bearish, but it closed bullish, guys. Let's go. How will I join VIP? If you use XNS, just send a DM. If you don't use XNS and you want to join the paid VIP, just send a DM. Or go to the Telegram community, okay? My Telegram channel. There's a message pinned in the channel that gives you instructions on how to join the VIP. Very simple instructions. Go to the channel, follow the pinned message there, and then you can join the VIP by yourself. If you need assistance, that is when you can send a WhatsApp, okay? Either way, I'm still going to reply to you, whether WhatsApp or you want to join by yourself. It's all really up to you. Is TikTok lagging or it's mine? Guys, let me know in the comments. Someone is saying their TikTok is lagging. Let's see, guys. Price still keeps on rejecting the zone, but let's see. I tried to join, but wasn't able to. Sunny Flex, send a DM, okay? To the WhatsApp number on the screen. There's a WhatsApp number written on the screen. Just send me a DM and let me know what the issue is, okay? Let me know what the issue is so I can assist you. Okay, yeah, you can exit and rejoin. You can do that if that will work for you, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's double tap. TikTok, let's double tap to 50K. Let's double tap, guys. Let's double tap. Richard, what's up? What's up, Richard? How are you? Arjun, how are you, Arjun? TP, we are not in a trade yet, Arjun. I don't have TP yet. Do you prefer scalping or holding trades? I'm a day trader. I hold trades mostly. I hold trades 100 pips, 80 pips, 100. That is on gold, okay? But for scalping, if you are scalping maximum, you are holding like 20 pips, 10 pips, 30 pips. Scalping, you don't need to hold for long. 10, 20, 10, 15, 20, you are out. That is what scalping is. If you are scalping, you are holding a trade for over 10 minutes, then you are not scalping, okay? Scalping, you don't hold trade for long. The little profit you see, you are closing quick. That is what scalping is. How to join your zone to zone class? Send a DM. KC Well, send a WhatsApp, okay? How do I get a one-on-one? Miss Ajwa, send a DM also to WhatsApp, okay? So I can assist you from there. I can respond to you from there. Richard, how is it going? Do you have any zones on gold you are looking at? Let me know. Richard is my mentee. Let me know the areas he's looking at. Richard, do you have any zones? Or let me check the page. I saw Uswe set up, but I didn't see your setup today, Richard. I've not seen any setup from you on the mentorship page, Richard. But I've seen Uswe setup. She also caught the sales from here. We had the sales on last week. She also caught it. She has the same buy zone as me below. Okay, she has one buy zone, but the one below, so she has it. Basically the same setup as mine. This is Ajwa's setup. Let's see. Okay, Ajwa also caught the buy. She also has the same sell zone I have. She has this sell zone too. I'm just checking my mentee setup for this morning. I've checked most of them, their setups. Let me see. Joy. Oh, nice. Beautiful. You have your sell zone at 4165. Interesting. That is also inside this same sell zone I have. That is the power of mentorship, guys. That's the power of mentorship. Richard is part of my just ended mentorship, the one that just ended. He was a part of it. He even joined in the middle of the class, like when we were we're entering support and resistance and stuff. That is when Richard joined. And the setups Richard does is crazy. He has crazy setups. So your sell zone is at 4165. That is somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. Interesting. But inside this zone here, I would want to start selling from 4163.5. This zone here, 4163.5. but still inside the zone that you also mentioned. So Richard, it's also valid. It's still valid. Let's hope we catch a good one from there. I mean, we're using the same strategy, so it's nothing surprising. We have the same zones we are looking at. We have the same strategy and confluences that we are looking out for. Am I in a sell? Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet. I'm laying my traps for the zones above. Let's just see how it goes. By the way, guys, if you use XNS, send me a DM now, okay? Send me a DM. Join my VIP for free. Join my VIP family for free, guys. Let's go, guys. Are you tired of double tapping? Please help me double tap. Help me double tap. Help me double tap, people. Help me double tap. And guys, I just remembered, let me inform you guys. By the way, tomorrow I'll be live in the morning. I'll be live in the afternoon. I'm going to the hospital tomorrow morning, okay? So I'll not be live in the morning, but I'll be live in the afternoon when I come back from the hospital. I'm not sure how long I'm going to take in the hospital, but then once I come back home, I'm going to go live and I'll share my setup to the community. If I'm not going live, that means that every trade I take tomorrow morning or from tomorrow morning to afternoon until I come back home is going to be sent to the VIP. Okay, so tomorrow morning I'm not going live because I have to go to the hospital. But then if I have any setup, I'm going to share it to everyone. And then if there's a signal, I'm going to send it to the VIP, okay? Just a reminder. I almost forgot to inform you guys. I'm not going live tomorrow morning, okay? I have to leave the house early. I have to get to the hospital early tomorrow. But you have not answered my question. What do you do when price reaches your zone? Join the mentorship, Dangers of Hell. Join the mentorship. Started to buy towards your sell zone, Abba. Your sell zone is landing high. Price might... Whatever it is, guys, just do what you see, okay? I have what I'm looking at. Just do what you see, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 user. If you think it's going to sweep it, you can just wait for another zone also, okay? I'm just following my strategy. I have some good confluences in that area, okay? Very good confluences there. That's what I'm always advising. Believe in yourself. Whatever you are doing, believe what you are doing. Believe whatever you are doing, okay? Just believe what you are doing. Do subscribers see if you open a position and they can enter trades with you? When I'm entering the trade, I let you know that I'm in the trade and I update in the Telegram channels also, okay? I mean, I send screenshots of my trades to the community. But then as I'm live, I don't know how I can share my trading positions on the live for everyone. Yes, Dangers of Hell. That is golden knowledge. I can't give it out just like that, okay? There are people who have actually paid for this knowledge. Giving it out just like that it's more like me giving them an insult, okay? Yes, all is good, all is good. SMC for life, all is good. How are you? Kojomat, awesome. I'm going to reply to you, okay? What are the requirements of the mentorship? There's really no requirements. Just make sure that you have the passion. That is what I always say. Once we start the mentorship, I always say, make sure you have the passion before you actually join this program. Because we are going to be moving at a rate that you need to pick up, okay? I don't move fast, but I'm going to move at a rate where if you miss one class and you don't go back to watch the recorded video, you might miss out on some of the classes. So just have the passion, because once you miss a class, do what to watch the recordings. I record every class's video. So if I have a class with you guys today, that class is being recorded down. You can go back and then rewatch that class. If you don't understand something, you can send me a DM and I'll jump on a call with you during the week before the next class so I can explain to you. If you don't have that passion and you leave videos piled up for about 6 weeks, obviously you'll be confused. And it's really hard going back to watch recordings too if you don't keep up. Okay, so just have the passion. Once you have the passion, you're going to keep up, and then you grow. Now the requirements, it doesn't have any requirements. Whether you're a beginner, you don't know anything about trading, I started a mentorship from scratch. So it's tailored for beginners, tailored for intermediate traders and advanced traders, or those who are simply just struggling to be unprofitable. That is it. That is basically it. That's just basically it, guys. Still waiting for the zone. You have sent a DM on TikTok. Awesome. I'm going to reply to you, okay? I'm going to be replying to you very soon. Gold is struggling at the level. That level is a very strong level too, I'm not gonna lie. There's no closure below the level yet. This area, there's no closure below that level yet. But it's a very strong area also. This level right here, it's a very strong area. Once there's a closure below the level, price actually might have some. This level here, it's a very strong area for price. And it keeps on rejecting from that same area. If there's a closure below it, that will be good for sellers. I've sent my issue via the WhatsApp line. Let me check. Does your number end with 8258? Sunnyflex 8258. Is that your number? 8258. Is that your number, Sunnyflex? Is that your WhatsApp number, your last number? Awesome. I've seen it. I'll reply to you, okay? I've seen it. I'm going to reply to you. I've been streaming for 2 hours now, guys. 2 hours. And gold is still not getting to our zone. The sad thing is, once I go off live and price gets to the zone, I take it to only the VIP members. But when I'm live, we all get into this trade together. I hope my PC is not frozen again. Hope it's not frozen. How will I get your WhatsApp number? It's on the screen, guys. Check the screen. It's written on the screen. No problem. Guys, the WhatsApp number is on the screen. The one who asked for the WhatsApp number, it's on the screen, okay? There's a number on the screen. You can see it on your screen. Why is my video paused? Okay, it's working now. When do I have it? Do you mean the mentorship? Is that what you mean? We have it on weekends, if that is what you mean. The mentorship classes are on weekends. They are on weekends. Saturdays and Sundays, okay? The day I don't have to pick my child from school, price is not moving. I know that feeling. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, let's double tap. We are almost at 50k likes, but currently we are resting at 44. Let's bring the energy to the next 6k, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Price is tanking. That is crazy. Why didn't price just get to our zone? Why? Why didn't price just jump into our buy zone? Sorry, our sell zone. Price is already selling, guys. Price is already selling. But guys, as we wait for the zone, I mean, price might still get there. Let's just see. What is your favorite time frame to trade from mostly? You guys say I like the 45 minutes a lot. What is your favorite time frame to take your entries from? Let me know in the comment. What is your favorite time frame to take your entries from? Whether it's a scalp trade, a day trading strategy. What is your favorite time frame, guys? I love the 15 minutes a lot. 15 minutes, 5 minutes, my favorite, guys. 5 and 15 seems to be winning. Interesting. 5 and 15. Guys, what is your favorite time frame to take your entries from? I like 5 minutes a lot. And guys, one time frame I've come to like so much is a 3 minutes. I think I like all the time frames under 5 minutes. But then where I get most of my strong confirmations from, the 5 and 15. 5 minutes always gives you money. Nice. 15 and 5. Guys, what's your favorite time frame to take your trades from? Or the time frame that you can tell has made you money? What's your favorite time frame? I love 15 minutes and 5 minutes a lot. 15 and 5. 15 and 5. Your entry is usually 1 hour. Interesting. 3 minutes is I am share. 1 hour and 5 minutes. Interesting. What is your favorite time frame, guys? What is your favorite time frame? Interested. Nice. 3 minutes. 3 minutes is a very good time frame, guys. It's a very good time frame in the sense that if you see something on the 1 minute, 3 minutes can give you a better confirmation. Once 3 minutes closes, you can go and check the 5 minutes to see if it's also doing a similar thing, right? If you get it on the 5 minutes, you can go to 15 minutes to confirm if the candles there are actually giving you correct confirmations there. Yes, 1 hour gives very good confirmations also, trust me. 1 hour gives you good confirmations, but I take my entries. I'm talking about entry confirmations. 15 minutes and 5 minutes always do it for me. With a very small stop loss, it helps me a lot. But mostly, you guys know already, I draw my zones on the higher time frame. Then I get my entries on the lower time frame, okay? And also, if you can remember, I don't know, for me, the first pair I ever traded, my first ever pair, that when I set up MT5, the first pair I traded, guess, guys. The first pair I ever traded in my Forex life, the first pair I hit buy or sell on. Who can guess? Who can guess the pair, guys? GBP, Euro USD. None of it, guys. GU. And I'm going to explain why it's none of it. BTC, GBP, nah. USD card, no. GU, nah. Guys, let me tell you the reason. The first pair I ever entered was gold. And you know the reason? Once you're a beginner and you start looking for trading content online, you come across some of these groups that they're posting crazy profits, and their profits are always on gold. So you happen to join. Once you just start searching for trading content, trading communities also pop up, and those communities would almost always let you trade gold. So that was the first ever pair. My first ever pair I entered was gold, and it did me bad for months until I jumped to GU for a while. Then I switched back to gold eventually. That was my first ever pair. What is your first pair, if you can remember? Can you remember the first pair you actually took a trade on? Your first ever pair. Can you remember your first ever pair? Your first ever pair that you click buy or sell on. If you can't remember, that is fine. But if you can remember, let me know. BTC USD. Wow. Sunny, what was the reason? What motivated that BTC trade? Someone also saying BTC EU. Wow. Someone said Euro USD 2 on YouTube. Interesting. GJ. Wow. Flip 5. Which one is that? Which one is Flip 5? BGB USDT. Oh, that is futures, right? Futures. Okay, XAUUSD volatility 75. You just reminded me of one of my woes. Volatilities was one thing that was killing me, guys, because you can even trade like with a small account, but in the end, BTC blew plenty of my accounts, and I'm still blowing. BGB USDT is crypto. Yes, it's crypto, but you trade it on like futures, right? You trade it futures. Or is that not how it's traded? Like on Bybit, Binance, those platforms. XAUUSD, this is online influence. I'm telling you guys, gold is an online influence. No matter what, your trading journey, no matter what, if you are starting today, one day you enter a gold trade. It's an influence, trust me. It's an influence. The water is finished, guys. Just drank one bottle of water just now. Yes, guys. Do you think it will go back to your sell zone? There's nothing this market can do. That is why I'm still waiting. I'm also hoping to make some money. Already lost some money this morning. So hoping to make some money. Hoping to make some Benjamins, guys. Hoping to make some Benjamins. Interesting. Which pair is this? It's written on the screen, Dr. Chris. It's written on the screen. It's written on the screen. Now, the funny thing about volatilities is when you start trading volatilities, it's easier to do your setups on MT5 than doing it on TradingView or something. It's easier, and that hurts your account a lot because entering trades on your MT5 is mad, guys. It's mad. But how many of you like to analyze your trades on your phone? Like you want to analyze on your trading view on your phone rather than coming to your PC? I like PC analysis, and I'll tell you guys why. But which one do you like? Analysis on PC or using your phone? Or using MT5 or using TradingView? Like, which one do you prefer? Which one works well for you? Which one do you prefer? You prefer PC. Is there any reason, guys? Is there any reason you prefer PC? Any reason you prefer PC? I have my reason I'm going to tell you guys. But is there any reason you prefer PC? Let me know. Is there any reason you prefer PC? Those typing PC. Is there any reason you prefer your PC? Okay, larger view. Okay. Okay. You see it's clearer. Awesome. Wider screen view. Interesting. It gives you a best eye view. Fantastic. You see the trending market clearly. Aside all of that, I think the PC gives you this serious mindset. You know, on your phone, when you have the setup on your phone, it's so easy to switch from this to your MT5 quickly. Like you just switch and then you get a setup, quickly you want to switch and then enter the trade there. But when your phone is somewhere, and your PC is in front of you, controlling your risk, your trading appetite is higher. You can control your appetite higher than doing it on phone. Because once you're on phone doing an analysis, setups will start popping ahead of you, especially those that like to analyze on their MT5. You are drawing your support and resistance on your MT5. You are drawing your trend line on your MT5. Your MT5 chart. It is so easy to be tempted to take unnecessary trades. I'm telling you. Better you do it on a PC, then you have the setup down. Then later on, you can wait for that setup and then take it on your MT5. But if you have your MT5 and then you are doing your setups on MT5, you might get hit. Because MT5, you're already seeing the buy and sell buttons looking at you, and then you're also drawing zones. It's easy, guys. Easy to be tempted.